I've always liked to collect novelty radios, and when I come across this one here, looking like an Axe body lotion or whatever bottle, I just had to buy it. But actually I got it for free because the batteries leaked, so I've cleaned it now, but I haven't tested it. It does come with a lanyard to hang it. It's not waterproof, which would be cool. I mean, a shower product should have a shower radio that's watertight, but well, anyways. Yeah, it is Cool Metal Edition. I don't know how old it exactly is. I guess mid-2000s. Yeah, you just twist this little thing here and it opens. Then you need not one but two AAAs. Let's put them in. Yeah, I mean, it's got a rubber seal around it here. Maybe it is watertight. That would be cool. The screws are also sealed. So, well, yeah. Let's try to switch it on and see if it works. We got power on off. Oh yeah. Let's make it a little less loud. Okay, we have scan plus, scan minus, so just pressing it. Well, yeah.
It's today, die besten Classics aller Zeiten.
Ein misslungenes Experiment an einer Schule in Schwetzingen bei...
It's working great.
In einem Verhältnis zueinander. Und ich muss ganz ehrlich sagen, dass mit dieser Einstellung
aktuell über 80.000 Stellenangebote
Let's
auf
see how loud it gets.
Ist vergänglich. Brillenstil. Niemals. Freudenhaus.com.
Worauf warten? Finde deinen Traumjob auf www.jobninja.com. Dein neuer
By the way, Freudenhaus is something, well, like a brothel. Yeah. Interesting ads on the radio here in Germany.
Kino, Mond und Sterne.
Präsentiert von der Stadtsparkasse.
Let's make the copyright happy.
Hier forschten.
Play some random snippets of video.
Geschmack und der kräftigen Kruste. Im Altdeutschen hätten sie diese Genuss. Achter anders
Classics. Yeah. This is going extremely annoyingly loud. Whew. It's got such a screechiness to it. Yeah, it's actually a really interesting design here. You really want to open it so that it doesn't open, of course. Yeah. Yeah. It's interesting with the sealed screws here. It may be even splash watertight. It could be interesting. I have to look it up on the internet before I pull all those plugs out and try to look inside it. But yeah, I really like those novelty radio products, novelty cameras, and all this kind of stuff. Yeah, it stands up and it lays down. Of course, it's in really good shape. Yeah, I did press the button here. Yeah.
Ist ein gefeierter Ausnahmetenor.
Yeah, it keeps the station when you turn it on and off.
Ist Ihr Gastgeber bei Klassikradio Furioso.
Sie hören mich jeden Tag von Montag.
Fühlst du dich, als hättest du gerade einen Oscar gewonnen? Wow!
Diejenigen, die bei der Zeichnung mit dabei waren, war das schon ein sehr gutes
Yeah.
Zero ist ein Hoffnungsträger für ThyssenKrupp. ThyssenKrupp die Technik, die das Unternehmen
besides the
sondern auch auf DAB.
stuff on the radio being
Präsentiert von der Therme Erde.
horrible, it is
Für dein Leben. Infos auf
29.
not bad.
Cola, Fanta oder Sprite. Teilweise Baumarkt.de.
It's just ads and brainwashing politics and some generic music. Yeah, but this isn't bad.
Mit Antenne Bayern.
I like it. This is cool. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. A little Axe body lotion novelty radio. Yeah. Very cool thing. Now let's see how long it actually will run. I try to measure how much energy it draws from the batteries. But I do this off camera because that's a bit of fiddling around. Well, let's try to do it on camera anyways. So let me zoom you in here. Zoom, 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 zoom. We take a piece of paper and the battery. Trying to separate the battery from the contact here. We got our multimeter. Some milliwatt now. And now let's see if it draws any power. If we can measure anything here between those contacts. If we can get even in here. Yeah, it does. This is when it's switched off. So it draws power when it's switched off to keep the channel in memory. That's not good. That's probably why the battery leaked. So let's turn it on. Yeah, sure, let's turn it on. But have broken the connection. Yeah, that's not going to work. Have to keep this on here. Only whilst we have the connection active. That's why I tried to do it off camera. Let's find a spot where it connects. Come on, help me a bit. Well, I have to do this off camera. It's too hard behind it. Well, I did press the hold button, but I'm not sure if this measurement is correct. This would be quite a lot. But yeah, it seemed to draw a lot of current. Maybe just at the start, but yeah, didn't really work to measure it. But yeah, anyways, this is it here for you. A little novelty radio. I recommend you, if you have batteries in it, to use a radio like this as an emergency kind of device. Just take a piece of plastic, use scissors that are of course stuck. Now come out, bastards. There we go. Then you take a piece of plastic or something and you can take everything you have at hand, even something like this, if you don't want to cut something. Just take some plastic, put it here to separate the connections. Then screw it shut, and when you need it, you can pull it out, put it back in and operate it.